So today we're going to be testing the 26-inch fat tire bikes I picked up. They got 1000-watt Bafang geared hubs paired with the Lishi. I think that's a 35 amp peak. It's like an 18 amp continuous controller, and it's got the 52 volt battery they're running. These are the bikes that you've seen in one of my other videos. I was freshening up the cells. These were brand new. I picked up 6 of them from a company going out of, they pretty much were just getting rid of all their bikes. And these ones, he had them sitting too long. They didn't charge them. Voltages were all erratic in the batteries. So they were only taking a little bit of charge and they were cutting out. So got a real good deal. I usually don't buy them. I usually am kind of building my own things like that, but I couldn't pass up the deal. And nice looking bikes. So as you'll see, the logo is their own brand from the place I bought them. So, but yeah, so once again, what was appealing to me was these things have the 1000-watt geared Bafang. I think it's the G062 or 63. I gotta look that up. I'll post it on there. But I keep hearing good things about the 1000-watt Bafang. It's only a single motor, it's a rear motor, but it is 52 volt. Today I'm just gonna be doing like a top speed test, the 0 to 20. And I'm gonna go find a hill climb. I just wanna see how it does, what kind of torque it has climbing. So let's go see what we can get, some speed, and see how it does on hills. All right, so let's get on this thing. So I got a fully charged battery right now, so why don't I start off? I'll just do a takeoff. I'm gonna do one continuous takeoff. That'll be my 0 to 20, and I'm gonna continue right on to a top speed. And it is windy today, so I'm gonna have, it's gusty, so I don't know, I might have some wind in my face, so it might affect my top speed a little bit. But let's see, I got everything, power assist 5. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You can feel a taper in. 20. All right, now we're gonna go for top speed. That's pretty good acceleration. Hitting 30. Wow, 34. I'm into the wind right now too, so. All right, so we hit 34 miles an hour. All right, here I'm gonna hit the hill climb. Hit it with speed. Yeah, this one I definitely have to help pedal there. All right. All right, so here we go. This is a pretty big hill climb here. I'll take a side shot of it. Yeah, definitely have to pedal into it. But I made it up. So it's 30 foot, probably to the top. I'm gonna do throttle only. Here we go. All right, so 1000-watt Bafang, geared high, and definitely climbed that hill no problem. I mean, it cruised about 11 or 12 miles an hour, but pretty steep. So we'll get on the bike now and try it out. All right, we're gonna go up the hill now. Let's try it out. Throttle only. I'm just gonna cruise up. I'm not even hitting full throttle right now. Just hold 10 miles an hour. Cruising no problem. 11. It's dropping a little bit right there. Oh, all right. It started dropping a little bit towards the top. All right, we're gonna cruise down. Hydraulic brakes are nice. Good stopping power. Nice big 4-inch tires roll over the stones. Nice and smooth. I mean, not smoother than 2-inch small tire bikes. All right, here we go. All right. Well, that's a couple tests down for the first day. Like I said, this is the first time I'm getting out on it. So, once again, that's the bike, the 1000W Bafang geared hub, 52-volt battery. It's a nice bike. It's fun. This is the best part now. You know, I built my other bikes. I always like when you get something new and you're taking the test ride. So I got all kinds of tests I can run on this now. And modifications. Like I said, doing the second motor definitely right away, especially seeing how fast this already is with one single motor. Definitely want to try the double route, see how much more climbing power and top speed I can get out of it. So, but I'm gonna go put it all together. If you like what you've seen today, like and subscribe. If you want to see more, drop a comment below. I'm always open to different things, trying different things here. So, all right, thanks for watching.